Hello, I am Sigmund Freud. Years ago, I wrote what I called the 3 essays on the theory of sexuality, an attempt to understand what moves human desire from its very first breaths. Today, I do not bring a formal lecture. I bring in the first person how I saw that intimate fabric. First essay, I examined perversions, the deviations that civilization names and the clinic observes. I showed that the object of desire can be anything that offers satisfaction, a gesture, a word, a detail of the body. This is not a moral judgment, it is a map. Human sexuality is plastic, and only later does culture try to normalize it. Second essay, we speak of the initial stages of psychic development, when the psychic apparatus organizes itself and drives begin to find their paths. Observing those early stages, I recognized investments of pleasure, sensitive zones, bodily curiosity, and the repetition of gestures that carry meaning. We are not discussing acts here, but an initial psychic economy that shapes future affective life. It is on that foundation that fixations form, modes of relating emerge, and also paths of healing through language and symbol. Third essay, I describe the reorganization that comes with puberty, the turning of desire toward adult objects, the rearrangement of drives, and the mediation between the ego and the superego. Puberty stitches identities together. What was dispersed acquires social and intimate form, yet remains vulnerable to trauma and repetition. Throughout these texts, I propose central concepts: libido as psychic energy, repression, displacement, and symptom formation. The compulsion to repeat, which returns in behaviors that torment us. What culture represses often returns as symptom, as work, or as myth. Renunciation can become creation. Remember our episodes on dreams and repetition. Here they connect. Dreams offer substitutions. Repetition attempts to master the unmasterable. Sexuality is the stage where these processes show themselves most powerfully. I do not bring absolute certainties, but therapeutic tools. Naming an impulse reduces its invasive force. Symbolic elaboration, dialogue, and emotional education are ways to transform suffering into creativity and bond. If this encounter moved you, share it. Subscribe to Marvels and Mysteries. Turn on the bell and comment which Freudian theme you would like me to develop next. Thank you for listening. Analysis is an invitation to inner freedom.